Welcome back to my channel. So today we're here with my bestie Emily, and she's here for our sleepover. And if you don't know who this is, it's my little puppy dog. Her name's Bella, and we're going to be introducing her today. What did you say? We're going to be introducing her today. So, can you look in the camera? Yeah. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. Oh, you can't see. It's fine. Anyways. Apparently she smells very bad. She sheds a lot.
Yeah.
And she's just cute. And also she's dirty. Yeah, very dirty. She hasn't had a bath in like a year.
Bruh.
No, I'm serious. That's real information. That's real information. So guys, let's get to the point.
She's shedding.
Yeah. So guys, today we're going to be like doing physics and dogs and like learning about puppies. So this is what we're doing. We're just going to introduce the pup so we can use her as a model. So let's get started. Entertain them while I go get something.
So, did you know, fun fact, dogs can fart. We have a funny story on Bella farting. We were one time kind of laying down in the middle of the night, and Bella was laying right next to us, and she farted. We didn't hear it, but we smelt it. It was horrible. We had to leave the room. It was very stinky.
That's true.
Oh, bells.
Okay, guys, so I made a page all about dogs, and we're going to write down some facts about pups.
Belle, you smell like pee.
Can you not? She's not very being kid realistic. I'm just kidding. So, sorry guys. Guys, we're gonna write down some fun facts about pups. So you probably know like lots of stuff about doggies, especially if you have one.
No.
So we're gonna write down one thing is dogs can fart. I'm just kidding. We're gonna write one. We're gonna write down the different breeds of dogs. So my dog is a chocolate lab, so we're gonna put that one on number 1, obviously.
You can't eat her though. She's not chocolate.
Yeah.
Sadly, dogs can't have chocolate. So.
Yeah, we're being sarcastic.
But she is made of chocolate.
Oh, whoa. Okay, guys. Now,
dang, look at all that shedding.
Guys, we also have another breed, which is everyone's favorite, Chihuahua.
What is
Chihuahua.
That? Chihuahua.
A Chihuahua.
Oh.
It's a breed of dog. Do you not know that?
Yeah.
What?
It's just you were saying Chihuahua.
Oh, Chihuahua. No, I don't know how to spell it, so it's fine. Oh, and a golden retriever. That's another one.
Bro, does Bella have lines?
No. Oh, that's just dandruff.
Oh, Bella.
Okay, guys. And now another one is French Bulldog. French Bulldog and Pug are dogs.
Pug.
Pug.
Pugs and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't say no.
When a pug walks in with a cute little feet, they don't do shit. No!
Oh my gosh, she almost just broke Bella.
I know I did it. I went over.
I do know. Wait.
Okay, guys. Now we're going to write some fun facts that you may not know about dogs.
Bella. Hello.
She's in my way. Oh, she's saying the whole camera. Oh, God. Oh. She kind of needs to get down. Okay, guys. Fun facts. Okay, now let's write down some fun facts. So, Emily, what fun facts do you know about doggies?
Dogs can burp.
Okay. Yep. Did she just burp right now?
Burp. Okay, I thought when you say the word burp, they just
Okay, what other fun facts do you know?
Bella.
Girly.
Oh,
What other fun facts do you know, girl?
Bella, are you like sneezing?
Yeah.
I guess dogs can sneeze.
I'm pretty sure people know that.
Okay. Dogs have almost the same amount of bones. Huh? No.
Not kid friendly.
Dogs have almost the same amount of bones
As
as humans.
Okay.
Bella, you good?
Dogs.
She has the hiccups.
You have your hiccup. Yeah. She does. I just need some water, bro.
Do you need water?
Dogs. Almost.
She's shaking the entire bed.
The same amount of bones humans do. Amount of bones humans do. Okay, what other fun facts do you know?
I don't know.
Okay, I know some fun facts about dogs. So this is actually a true story that I might release a fun fact about her. So one time, me and Bella were playing out in the snow, and she's basically an adult dog, and she's big, but somehow the snow is like 3 inches deep, and she hopped in the snow, and she like ran like that in the snow, and the snow was covering her, and I laughed so hard. So dogs can fit in snow, I guess.
So they can like get smaller.
Yeah. It's depending on the snow size though. But I don't really know if that's a fun fact. It's just a cute little thing. Alright guys, I've been recording for literally 7 minutes, so we gotta go. Bye, hope you enjoyed the video. Our next video will be a funny video for kids with my bestie.